In this video, we'll be using the new Jerzees HiDensi-T 100% cotton t-shirt to demonstrate what a really great simulated process job should look like. Halftone printing is all about control. Choose either a 280 or 305 plain weave mesh with a 34 micron thread diameter. Tension on all screens should be at least 25 newtons per centimeter. This is important because with low tension mesh, it's impossible to get consistent ink transfer. The combination of emulsion, exposure, and washout are critical. Maximum resolution is obtained with a dual-cure diazo photopolymer emulsion. The exposure is slower than pure photopolymer, but the dot structure is much better. Coating the screen 2 passes on the print side, followed with 2 wet-on-wet passes on the squeegee side, will give a good stencil profile for the halftones. When it comes to exposure, a UV-rich light source delivers the sharpest dot. Use either mercury vapor or metal halide designed for screen printing. Dry the screen with the print side down with plenty of filtered circulated air. Washout isn't mentioned much, but can make or break your job. After exposure, wet both sides of the screen with water and rub both sides with your hand. Wait at least 1 minute before you wash out the screen. This is important. Wash from the print side. Start at the top and work your way across the screen and down. Always follow the same sequence for consistency. A triple durometer 70-90-70 gives excellent control and print quality. Sight down the length of the blade. It should be perfectly flat and straight. There shouldn't be any waviness in the blade at all. Always sharpen your blades before printing halftones. The desired sharpness is reached when you lightly draw your fingertip over the edge of the blade. Your inks should be thixotropic. This means they shear easily but won't flow out after the ink transfers to the garment. This is important because this is what allows us to print sharp, clean halftone dots that don't squash when the other colors print on top of them. One of the tricks to getting great halftones is to add up to 2% by weight of clear, high-density gel to any ink. The very nature of high-density gel is to create a 3-dimensional print. A very small addition will dramatically increase the sharpness of your halftones. Here's another key tip for best image quality. The key to great color is to manage the ink temperatures. Plastisol inks are made of plastic resins. The colder the temperature, the stiffer the ink. As the ink warms up, it gets softer and thinner. The flow of the ink is continuously changing until the temperature reaches 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep your inks between 90 degrees and 120 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent flow. All of these preparations are important, but they are of little value unless the garment has enough fiber mass to accept the halftone dots. Most t-shirts are only 65% fiber mass. This means 35% of the dots have nothing to land on, so the ink stays on the back of the screen and not on the print. This is one of the reasons most halftone prints look washed out. The Jerzees HiDensi-T 100% cotton t-shirt has excellent fiber mass to minimize this problem. Having your halftone dot land on the yarn bundle assures minimum dot aim and maximum image sharpness. The high fiber mass and smooth surface of the Jerzees HiDensi-T are the ideal destination for your critical color simulated process images.